You're welcome to our next lesson for the day, hydraulic system. My name remains Engineer Emmanuel Alajemba. Welcome to our today's class. Earlier on, we discussed in fluid power that hydraulic systems are part of fluid power. Basically, fluid power involves pneumatic systems and hydraulic systems. Now let's take a look briefly on hydraulic systems. Wherever high pressure and high force is needed, you must count on hydraulic systems. Hydraulic systems are required in industry and environment. Why? Because they provide high force and high power. And that is basically one of the advantages that hydraulic systems have over pneumatic systems. There are certain advantages that can be applied in stationary and mobile hydraulic systems in the industry. In essence, where pneumatic systems cannot be used due to high amount of power required, hydraulic systems can be applied. There are basically two distinct forms of hydraulic systems: stationary hydraulics and mobile hydraulics. Stationary hydraulics is used in stationary systems and machinery, like in the industry of mining systems. Mobile hydraulics is used in construction machinery services and aircrafts. And we can see a comparison between hydraulic systems, pneumatic systems, and electricity. In the note provided for you, you'll find a comparison and the advantages hydraulic systems have over electrical or pneumatic systems. So why not go over the note very well, and then you can find this comparison. Hydraulic systems simply use liquid fluid to drive or create power, and this power is used to drive systems that require high amount of force. During the compression, the viscosity is very important, and that is why many industries manufacturing hydraulic systems will tell you that viscosity is one of the important factors to be considered when you are actually applying hydraulic systems. Hydraulic systems, like we said earlier on, involves the use of liquid fluid to create or generate power to drive different components that require high amounts of force. There are so many fundamentals of hydraulic systems regarding force, pressure, and area. These fundamentals are included or embedded all in your notes. How hydraulic systems are derived, the units, and how they are applied in industry are all in your notes. Hydraulic systems have strong comparison to pneumatic systems when it comes to symbols and also drawing of circuit diagrams. The principle is basically the same, just a little difference. For instance, in hydraulic systems, in one of the circuits or symbols where you have compressor for pneumatic systems, in hydraulics you have pumps. You can see for pneumatic systems, you have compressors, and then for hydraulic systems, you make use of pumps instead of compressors. And then when it comes to the drawing of the symbol, like we did earlier on, this is the symbol for compressors. But for pumps, you draw a circle and then you simply shade the triangle area at the top corner there of the circle. All the other symbols involving hydraulic systems and pneumatic systems are exactly similar. Just little difference, like you can see here. Shaded area for pumps, but for pneumatic systems, you have the compressors and this is symbol. For hydraulic systems, you also have directional control valves, and this will be either 3x2 way or 5x2 way, same as in pneumatic systems, where you also have directional control valves. In hydraulic systems, you can also have a single acting cylinder, and you can also have a double acting cylinder. Pneumatic systems, you can also have a single acting cylinder and a double acting cylinder. These are just simple comparisons you have between hydraulic and pneumatic systems. And now when it comes to the advantages hydraulic systems have, I said it earlier on, they generate large amounts of pressure, power, and force, and they are used for heavy-duty equipment. Their application can be found in the use of cranes, heavy-duty cranes. You can find them in skyscraper buildings where you have to lift heavy equipment from the ground floor to the top floor. Pneumatic systems cannot be used in these applications where you require heavy amounts of force, either in the automobile industry, in manufacturing of aircraft, the production of ship, and also in the industries where heavy equipments are being applied. Think of hydraulic systems, because hydraulic systems are the solution to these industries. And so, like we have seen in the lesson, we've talked about fluid power, we have talked about pneumatic systems, and we are talking about fundamentals of hydraulic system. In your notes, you can find further explanation regarding hydraulic systems. See you next time in our next lesson. Thank you.